Well, I made it. Here is Phnom Penh. It is now 9:40 in the evening. It took me exactly 11 hours to make it here. I didn't make any videos for the last several hours because the water got really rough and I had to bail out some water and had to change, refill the gas tank, which proved to be quite challenging. And then it got dark. So, all in all, it was an okay trip. Almost dropped my gas in the water, and had quite a bit of water come into the boat. It got really rough there, and then I coasted behind a cargo ship for a while, which smoothed out my ride for a bit until I ran out of gas, and then anyways, so made it. Just ordered a pizza, but got here a little later than I'd have liked to get here, so I'm going to find a place along the river to tie up for the night, and then in the morning head to my new apartment.